Hey everyone, today I would like to show you a great EQ that I've been using lately on my drum and bass tracks. Let's listen to what we have for this demonstration. The first thing I'm going to do is to set my low mids around 200. I'm going to pull that down a little bit. I'm going to push 50 Hertz, about 1 dB up. We're also going to boost 800 Hertz as well as 2.5K. We're going to set our saturation to around 8 points. And let's hear it. Before. After. Try it and let me know what you think in the comments.